Hi everybody, welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what I'm going to talk about is a crochet collab and a giveaway. So Setta and I are going to collab again. So this will be our third collab in collaboration in relation to a giveaway and the Crochet magazine. So let me tell you what I mean. So for those who are not new to my channel, you've seen this a couple times already, but I'll explain it for everybody else. So Setta and I both get the subscription to the Crochet magazine. And when we get the magazine in, we both review the magazine and we like to kibitz about what patterns we like out of the magazine and which ones we think we would like to make. And so we thought it would be fun to involve you guys all in this process. And so what we're going to do is what we've done in the past. Oh, my sleeve is kind of wonky there. Is what we've done in the past is I'm going to pick 4 of the patterns out of here, and one of the 4 patterns I'm going to make. Setta's going to do the same thing on her channel. She's going to pick 4 different patterns, or maybe some of the same, and she's going to make one of those patterns as well. And so we're collaborating on the magazine and then talking about the patterns that we're going to make. So I'm going to show you I'm going to show you 4 patterns. You would pick one of those 4 patterns and put which one you think I would make into the box below. And about 3 weeks, now these are all clothing items, and so Setta and I were chatting about them. Might take a little bit longer than usual. Usually we did 2 weeks, but we may need about 3 weeks to get it done. So probably the weekend of the 22nd, 23rd, I'll go through and I'll announce the winner, and I'll send the winner a prize. Now, Setta, and like I say, we're doing this as a collab. So once you watch my video, go on over to Setta's place and watch her video, because she's also going to be doing the announcement at the same time and show you which patterns that she potentially would be making. Okay, so let's get going. So it will be out of the Crochet ! And this magazine is autumn 2021, and at the end of the video I'll put the link for this video in here, but I'll show you which 4 that I will potentially make. So here we go. Like I say, pick one. You can do numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, or you could put the name and just put it in the box below. And it doesn't matter whether you put the number or the name, because I will actually go through and pull them and then write them down and put them in a hat, because the random picker doesn't really work that well, because we tend to do it opposite ways, and and I want to be fair. Okay, number 1 potential is the Hampshire pocket scarf. That's what this guy looks like. This is an intermediate pattern. It measures 16 by 59.5, and it uses a size 5 weight yarn, which means I'd have to buy 5 because I don't have any 5 weight yarn, but that won't stop me. Uses herringbone double crochet. I probably would not do it in that color, but that is number 1, the herringbone pocket scarf. Number 2 is the frozen forest tunic. This uses a size 3 weight yarn. It is an intermediate. It is a tunic. What else to say about it? And it has you can see the cable stitch on the front. Again, this is an intermediate. It has the cable stitch on the front, but it's cabling using back post and trebles is how that's done. So that is number 2. So number 1 was the pocket scarf, or number 2 is the forest tunic. And I'm going to get the names wrong just because I never remember names. I just remember if I like something or not. Number 3 is the white sands tee. This again, all of these are very cute. And when I went through this magazine the first time, I talked about these and how cute they are. That, if I make this one, I would not make it in that color. I don't look good in white. And here's a close-up of the sleeve on this, on the white sands tunic. All right, so that's number 3. And then for number 4, I don't know how to pronounce this, is the Arquilla tunic. This is another intermediate. Says it's a fashionable tunic with that V neckline, and you guys know I like the V neckline. So I like actually all 4 of these. So it's going to be a tough choice for me because I do like them all. So it's going to be, I'll pick one of these 4, and I will make it over the next 2 or 3 weeks. Go through the box, the answers down below that you guys pick, and put the folks that pick the right one that I made in a hat and draw out the winner. So let me show you again. So number 4 is the Arquilla tunic. Number 3 is the White Sands tee. Okay. Number 2 is the Frozen Forest tunic. And number 1 is the Hampshire pocket scarf. All right, so pick one of the 4, put your number below, whether you put number 1, 2, 3, or 4, or just write out what it is. You could do more than one guess if you would like, and I will pull it. It starts today, and in the weekend of the 22nd, 23rd, I will pull the winner and put it in a hat and do the drawing, and I will send you out stuff that's behind me. Yeah, some of the yarn that's behind me for the winner. It depends on what it is. So I'll be putting a package together just like I did in the past and put that out for you guys. Don't forget, go over to Setta's place and look at her video because she's posting hers right now. All right, guys, good luck, and I will chat with you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye, y'all.